let's take a look at the big wins and the big losses. Let's start off with the big winners who won with a large margin, and starting off with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, of course. Varanasi was the seat that he won, and he won by quite the margin of about 1.5 lakh votes. Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh, Rahul Gandhi, big win for him. He contested from Raebareli, which is a Congress turf, and he ended up winning. This was the first time he contested from Raebareli. Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, Rajnath Singh, he won with a massive margin. The seat has been a BJP bastion since 1991. Gandhinagar, Gujarat, Amit Shah won with a massive margin. About 7 lakh votes is the number by which he won. This is again a BJP bastion. Kannauj in Uttar Pradesh, Akhilesh Yadav was able to wrest control of this seat, the one that he had lost in 2019. And next up, let's take a look at Baramati, Maharashtra. Supriya Sule won the seat. This was a fight against Sunetra Pawar, who is the wife of Ajit Pawar. Mumbai North, Maharashtra, it was Piyush Goyal. He won the seat. Again, a safe seat of the BJP. BJP has been winning from this seat consecutively. Nagpur, Maharashtra, Nitin Gadkari, turf of Nitin Gadkari. He won it this time around as well. Tiruvananthapuram, Kerala, Shashi Tharoor ended up winning the seat after quite the back and forth that kept happening with around 15,000 seats. Wayanad in Kerala was also won by Rahul Gandhi, this becoming his second win. In 2019 also, he did the same. Won the election this in 2019 as well. She had won this seat. New Delhi, Bansuri Swaraj, this was the first time she was being fielded by the BJP. She did the job, she won the election. Northeast Delhi, we have Manoj Tiwari winning the seat for the third consecutive time. So again, all the 7 seats in fact were won by BJP. Hamirpur in Himachal Pradesh, Anurag Thakur, the Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting, won that seat from Himachal Pradesh, from Hamirpur. Mandi, Himachal Pradesh, Kangana Ranaut, another big win. I think she won by a margin of about 2 lakh votes and more. Jorhat, Assam, Gogai from the Indian National Congress won this seat as well, amongst the few seats that were won by the Congress in Assam. Arunachal Pradesh, Kiran Rijiju, he won the seat with a landslide. He has been winning the seat consecutively for the past 2 terms. Guna, Madhya Pradesh, Jyotiraditya Sindha won this seat. Last time around, he ended up losing it when he was a part of the Indian National Congress. Bengaluru South in Karnataka seat, and Karnataka as a whole has been a pleasant surprise for the BJP. Dharwad in Karnataka, Prahlad Joshi has won this seat from the BJP. This is consecutively that he has ended up winning this seat. Jalandhar, Punjab is where the Congress has shown, and this is Charanjit Singh Channi, the former Chief Minister under the Congress, who was the Chief Minister just for a few days. He won the seat. Amethi, you know, a big letdown for the BJP. Smriti Irani loses this constituency by a margin of over 1 lakh votes. Tiruvananthapuram, Rajiv Chandrasekhar gave a tough fight to Shashi Tharoor. He ended up losing this fight from Kerala. Next up, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. All eyes were on this man, perhaps the most popular politician after Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He ended up losing this seat. This was, of course, his maiden performance, and he ended up losing it. Chennai South, Tamil Nadu, Tamilisai Soundarajan, she lost the seat. This is not the first time she has lost a Lok Sabha election fighting on a BJP ticket. We have next up in West Bengal, Behrampur. This was a major shock for Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. He has been consecutively winning this election up until 2019. He lost it this time around. Anantnag, Rajouri, Jammu and Kashmir, a big setback for Mehbooba Mufti and the PDF, who lost this seat. It was won by the National Conference. Baramulla, again a big shock. Omar Abdullah, he ended up losing the seat to an independent who has terror funding charge, and he's behind bars right now. Amritsar, Punjab, Taranjit Singh Sandhu, the former Indian ambassador to United States of America, ended up losing his seat as well from Punjab. Now Patiala, Punjab, Praneeth Kaur from the BJP, she also ended up losing this election from the family of Amarinder Singh. Faizabad, another big shocker coming for the BJP. Lallu Singh, he ended up losing this seat with a margin of about 65 to 70,000 votes. New Delhi, Somnath Bharti ended up losing against Bansuri Swaraj. It was said to be a tight fight, but at the end of the day, all the 7 seats of Delhi were won by the BJP. Jalore, Rajasthan, Vaibhav Gehlot, the son of the former Chief Minister of Rajasthan, has also lost that seat. So a massive letdown for the Congress there. Chhindwara, Madhya Pradesh, Nakul Nath has ended up losing this seat. Now BJP has performed fabulously in Madhya Pradesh, all the seats going to BJP's kitty. And finally, Rajgarh in Madhya Pradesh, Digvijay Singh also seeing that humiliating loss from Madhya Pradesh. So those are the seats that have been won and lost, the big constituencies, the big faces.